Hey everyone, we're
Hello.
here at Suavecito headquarters in Santana. I'm Marisela.
Carlos.
And we were invited here to open a Suavecita box set that's going to be available for you guys. Honestly, I'm just super excited. I can't wait to see what's inside. You want to go ahead? Don't break anything.
Sorry, yeah, what if it was something breakable?
Let's see. All right. Go ahead and open it.
There's a bunch of goodies in here.
All right. Let's go ahead and start with this one.
Obviously the pomade.
All right. So I'm going to put this aside.
It's a tin can, a travel tin can that has 8 pouches in it.
Each one has half an ounce. So
I believe this is equivalent to a 4-ounce can.
Nice. It's a little bit easier to carry these around than a can, so I love that. I love the design. I love that it has a pomade on it. The tin can has the same design on it, and it's very retro. Again, the tin can to store things. It's kind of raised. The logo is raised a little bit, which is super awesome. Classic.
Yeah, and you could take these pouches anywhere. Your gym.
I'm gonna put some in my purse. You know, you never know when you're gonna need it.
There you go. And it comes with 8. So again, sharing is caring. Share them with your friends.
And the can, love it.
Yeah, and then you end up with this can right here, so you can store cool things in it afterwards.
So these are, I actually just thought about these. We could travel and take these along because they're TSA compliant, and just good for anything. The gym, put them here. They all fit nicely with the tin can. Pretty cool, right?
Pretty cool. Sounds good.
All right, let's go ahead and go on to the next. Which one do we want to?
Let's open up these cool milk mugs. I'll get this one, and you get this one in here.
So let's just talk a little bit about the design on it. This is the Suavecita Retro Milk Mug. It has the classic houndstooth pattern and the Suavecita logo. I actually love that it's like a matte finish. It's very like soft colors. You want to go ahead and show yours?
Yeah, this one has the Metro van on one side, and obviously the Get It Hombre slogan that they have.
That one has the matte finish too, right?
Yeah, it does have the matte finish.
It just has a nice feel to it.
Yes.
So it says that these are 12-ounce cups. Let's go ahead and open them. Right. So I have a white and powder pink, powder blue cup. It says, "Get it, Ruka," with a pinup, a girl putting on lipstick. Love it. Very retro. The cup itself the design just reminds me of just eating at a diner. On the back, it says Suavecita Cosmetics. Again, the pink and blue, classic. Love it.
And this one right here, like I said earlier, it has a Metro van on one side, and their slogan, "Get It Hombre." I'm not sure what you would call this blue.
It's like a powder blue.
Powder blue?
Yeah.
Baby
and
blue?
I could totally picture us using these at home. Eating breakfast. The kids could use these.
They don't seem like they're breakable, so nope.
You could drink anything, right?
Yeah.
Milk, juice, coffee.
And you could look firme doing it.
Nice. Start them off young, right?
Yeah.
Go ahead and take this. And then let's put this aside. Let's go ahead and see what else we can...
There's a Blowout Cream here. I think you would be more familiar with this than me.
Yeah, I've actually used the Blowout Cream before. This is the Suavecita Blowout Cream. It has the matte finish. Again, one thing that I love about Suavecita products is they are vegan, paraben free, and they are super friendly, cruelty free. So the design itself is the classic houndstooth pattern. The smell is amazing, like all their Suavecita products. I really like using the Blowout Cream because it's heat protectant and it cuts off the drying time from when you get out of the shower, you put it on, you blow drying your hair. Instead of it taking like a good 20-30 minutes, it takes about 15 to 20 minutes. So I have super thick curly hair, and it does an awesome job at just protecting my hair from the heat. And
it says it protects it up to 450 degrees, so that's pretty hot.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah.
I love this product. This is one of my go-tos. So nice that it's included in here. All right, let's go ahead and...
The last items on here are some dad hats, one for you.
All right, so first, I really like the color. It's a curved brim and it's embroidered with the Suavecita lipstick. And on the back, it's embroidered with Suavecita. So that's pretty cool. One thing that I like about their designs or their products is that the tags, a lot of times they're stickers. So don't forget, don't throw them away.
Throw them away.
Very cool.
And this one has the classic barber pole in the front. And I believe this is called a strap back. And the Suavecito name on the back.
All right, should we try them on?
Cool navy color. You got burgundy right there. You got to try them on.
All right.
Let's see.
So it fits nice. It's not tight at all. It's that nice color, the burgundy.
Obviously, it's adjustable, so
yeah,
you can
I like
adjust
it on yours.
Oh, I like it on yours too.
It looks good.
You ready for a baseball game?
I am. I am. Let's go to a baseball game. All right. So these are the products that were.
And always, you get your free stickers with any purchase that you make at. Sometimes you'll get one, maybe, I don't know, two, a handful. So
OG stickers in different colors, super cool. They always include these in the orders. All right, so that is all. That's all the items that are included in the box set. Let's go ahead and do a little recap.
Sure. It's a tin can that comes with the 8 pouches. Again, you could take them anywhere. And this comes in the OG hold or the firme hold, whatever it is you prefer.
And they're TSA compliant. So you can travel, look firme around the world. All right, then we have the milk mugs, the vintage Suavecita cosmetics.
Retro feel to them, yeah, I like it.
And the Metro, in the powder blue and the white
Plain
with
white.
the powder pink, powder blue. So these are really durable, 12-ounce cups and awesome for not just the kids. You can use them for coffee, milk, any juices, anything like that. And then you have the Suavecita Blowout Cream. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, and gluten-free. Super awesome OG Suavecita smell that we all love, with the houndstooth pattern, matte packaging, and then you have our free stickers. And then we can't forget
the hats.
Perfect for
baseball game, going out to the park, amusement park. Keep the sun out of your eyes.
They look good.
You don't have time to comb your hair, running late to taking the kids to school.
I was just gonna say that when you don't have time to just do your hair, you just put it on and you still look good.
When you're running late, trying to take the kids to school in the morning, just
Yep,
put a hat on and let's
every
go.
day, pretty much.
Yeah, look firme with the Suavecita hat.
All right, so all these products are awesome for the whole family. We enjoyed opening, unboxing every single one, and we can't wait to just bring them home and use them with the whole family, right? We are very thankful for Suavecito for having us, and hopefully you guys get your own box set. Thank you.
Thank you.